Entschuldigung, excuse me. Bis gleich, till soon. Bis dann, till then. Wie bitte, beg your pardon. Warten Sie bitte, waiter please. Kommen Sie bitte, come please. Nehmen Sie Platz, take your seat. Einen Moment bitte, one moment please. Einen Augenblick bitte, one moment please. Augenblick, I wink. Words having the symbol beta is nothing but double S and pronounced as grios. This is the example of the word having beta and it is pronounced as grios. Words having ch sometimes pronounced as sh. For example, gleich. Cht will have kt ending, pronounced as Nacht, good night, Nacht, night. Words with having I ending will have gleich with I finishing. Words having E ending will have E finishing, spiel. The meaning is to play.